To add an assignment to Moodle, you have to first turn editing on. After doing that, you have to scroll to the box where you want to add the assignment. That could be a topic, a week, or the main box, the first box in the course. Click Add an Activity or Resource. Then you have a list of activities and resources. Click on Assignment. Click Add. You have to write a title, a description. You have to add those because they have a red asterisk and they're required. Then you can set a submission date, a due date, and a cutoff date. In this case, I'm going to enable them. Read this carefully as well, and here you can decide whether you want them to be able to submit online text, where you want them to be able to have a submit button. I like doing that as well. I also like to include that as well. That includes they have to accept a submission statement. If you have a question about one of them, there's a lot of options. Click on the little question mark and they'll tell you briefly what that does. The upload limit, you could set it to something smaller, but usually it's not a problem. Here you can also set multiple files if you want to. Usually we only need one. And if you want them to be able to send you a comment, you can enable comments as well. I usually do include feedback grading and sometimes feedback files. What feedback files allows for is for you to be able to send them a file back, maybe a Word document with track changes. Then select the grading if you have categories, or you could add it to a category, or the type of grading you would like to use for it, including a rubric. And then finally, you can set an assignment per group. So maybe the assignment is only available to one group of students, and you can preset which group you want to have access to that assignment if you want to. You can make random or non-random groups. After you do all of that, so basically what we mainly did was set a name, a title, a description. The cutoff dates are pretty common as well. Then usually the rest you can just leave as it is. I did have a couple things I changed, but you don't have to. Again, the only required part is the two top things, the title and the description. Save and return to course, and that's it. Now the student will be able to submit their assignment here. They will have to click there, and when they start submitting assignments, you'll be able to click here and see what they have submitted. You are also able to download all submissions if you want to, and view and grade all submissions as well. Thanks.